our spot for today.
What I'm working on right now is kind of relieving some pressure.
Oh, the compression thingy?
Yeah.
Okay. And we put some PB blasts everywhere. It's on the floor too. Everywhere.
Huh?
I'm trying not to be fucking useless. The E, what? 69?
E16.
E16.
A rust state,
Right.
but it's always good to
Wait, I thought we were in a rust state. Are we not?
Midwest.
Spring cleaning.
They can. It's a real light coat.
Smells like booty.
Yep.
So is that one? This little guy.
Wash it off.
It's just a brake part cleaner.
And you see the chemical that's coming off it right now too? You see like the coloring?
Here's the 16. E16. Test fit. So the sticker side goes into the other way.
Yeah. Sticker actually holds onto the brake caliper. Yeah.
Yikes. Another wash. I can see why it broke off though. Like that box is so heavy, they probably threw it.
There is that. Alright. So now.
Oop. Confusion.
There.
Is that
We'll
okay?
see if we'll see if this will still hook in there and hold everything.
Sensor going in.